Hey, so today we have another Barbie unboxing. We have some vintage Barbie clothes here we're going to be opening up. Yay. So here's one. We've got this cute little nightie. Nice little detail. Oh. Little nightgown or overdress. We've also got this black and white number. I love this little red edge trim. It's hard to find now. I guess it was easier to find back then. What's this? Looks like a gingham, black gingham. Yeah, way cuter than I thought. Really cute and well made. Yeah. It'd be nice. Let's try that one on though. Next, we also have this beautiful pink number. This is well made too. It has many pieces. They sewed here. The pleats are nicely pleated. Did a good job on this one. Yeah. Got a good deal on these. That one is cute. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this dress. Yes. Adorable. It's probably from the 60s. Yes. So we also have this other little nightgown. Is that like a superstar Barbie or something? This looks too big for Barbie, but I'll take it. And this really long skirt. I thought this skirt was pretty cute. It's like bright pink salmon coral. And it's probably like, yeah, just as long as her legs. That's really cute. And the last one I saved for the best I saved for last is this nice little, I'll have to, I forget the name of this. But yeah, it's in good condition. Totally scored on these, y'all. Love the color. So cute. The zipper's intact. Not ripped or anything. Wow, I got a good deal on these. I forget what I paid, $10? I don't know. This is a Barbie dress, by the way. Yes. So cute. I'm gonna try to wash this one. Really pretty. Yes. Okay, so now let's open this other one. What do you guys think it is? Is it? I don't know. So what did you guys think about the Barbie movie? I thought it was interesting. I actually saw it twice. Once with my boyfriend and once with my mom and my aunt and my brother and sister. I went with my boyfriend first, and then in the same at like 7:30, and then at 9 o'clock I went with my mom and family, and I saw it in. Oh, look at this little nice little message. So I got a vintage Barbie in Mexico. I love it. Barbie in Mexico from like 1964. I think. Yeah. So I just have to try that on. Probably made. I know this one has a little stain So I'm gonna try to remove the stain with some bleach actually. Right here. Yeah. But other than that, they did a good job at keeping it nice. Wow, it's got some nice roses. It's like a really pretty rose pattern, flowers. And some polka dots. Nice. Yeah, and this one has these senorita flowers. Almost a Christmas looking dress. But yeah, I would love to get the Ken outfit from Ken in Mexico. It's so cute. It's like a little bullfighter outfit. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.